I went to Tbilisi and I swear, wag na wag kang pupunta dito kung ayaw mong malasing.
Look! It's the wine factory!
Day 3 pa lang, pero after the wine factory, parang lifetime ang hangover ko. Ang plano ko mag-city tour, ang nangyari na lasing ako sa wine factory bago pa man makarating. Warning lang ha, if solo traveler ka like me, well, you can try wine factory tours at Tbilisi. But don't just try them all. Lahat ng ipap-try nila sa'yo kasi talagang malalasing ka. Hello, this is Lois. Welcome to my travel diaries where every stop is a story and every day is an adventure. And oh, don't scroll up if you want to copy my day 3 itinerary. Trust me, sulit lahat ng puntahan na spots dito. So today is day 3 and this is what happened. Pagkagising ko pa lang, this was the view from my room. Ang ganda, parang painting, and then breakfast muna before going to the wine factory. Doon, I tasted different kinds of wines, pero ang pinaka-iconic sa Georgia is the Chacha. Strong siya, parang brandy, and it's part of their culture. Kaya pala sikat siya dito. After the wine tasting, we finally headed to the city. Nag-coffee muna ako, then strolled around bookstores before joining a walk photography tour. Ang ganda ng idea kasi your photographer is also your tour guide. So habang tinuturuan ka about Tbilisi's history, nakukuhanan ka rin niya ng candid shots. We walk around Old Town, isa sa pinaka-historic and charming parts ng Tbilisi. Narrow cobblestone streets, colorful balconies, tapos may love-lock bridge pa, where couples leave padlocks as a sign of forever. Oh, sana all my forever. Pero reminder lang, habang naglalakad ka sa city, stay on guard ka pa rin kasi may mga reports din ng pickpockets dito. Ingat-ingat sa bag and kung dala mo yung passport mo, lalo na kung busy ka kakapicture. And finally, we ended our walk in Shoni Cathedral, one of the oldest and most important churches in Tbilisi. Most of the photos were taken here habang naglalakad lang kami at naghihintay ng sunset. Kahit hindi lumabas yung araw, the walk itself was the highlight. Just being in the heart of the city, surrounded by history and culture, was already so fulfilling. That's how my day 3 went: wine, history, and a little bit of magic from Tbilisi's old charm. And before I go, drop a heart in the comment section if you want a copy of my itineraries on Excel. I'll send it to you for free. Stay tuned for my day for adventure and you won't want to miss it.